Hello, how are you today? Yeah, so how has it been? I hope you've been doing great. I hope you've been doing wonderful. That's beautiful. Okay, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're here, nice to know that you are. And if you're watching the replay, it's nice to have you here. Okay, so today I just want to quickly wrap up on the free class, okay? And we'll look at our trades and see where we're at right now, okay? So we're currently, I'm looking at, and I'm currently on VET, all right? Let me put this aside. So you can see that VET has gone through a roller coaster, and we were very close to, how will I put it now? This is one day. Let me go back to the 1 hour time frame. Look at this. We actually almost made it, right? This was 38.20. We actually almost made it because we wanted to get it executed at 38.70 because we wanted more, right? So this is not really nice. I mean, seeing this, I really felt like, oh, come on, come on. This should have executed, right? But that's fine. I mean, if we had done 38.20 or 38, we'll still have made profit, right? Just to let you know, I think we're just going to have to change this and try to recalibrate because it looks like, it's going down. Let's see, is there anybody here? Not yet. Okay. So what we're going to do, right, is that we're just going to change it to something lower, slightly lower, right, than 38.20. Let's go back, right? Let's go back and see what we wanted to do was to make this, execute. If you look at this at 38.70. So let's just try and cancel it and then let's just rearrange it and see whether we're going to make profit, right? With this, we were supposed to make how much? I think we were supposed to make I can't remember exactly, but it was supposed to give us at least 2%. All right. So let's go and see what exactly it is. Now, don't forget that we already have money that we had made from, I think it was OGN. Yeah. So we'll do a recap of all our converts limit that we have in there, but I think it was OGN that made us this money. Yeah, we had $50. I think it was $50 something. I can't remember the exact amount, but OGN made us some money, right? We quickly try to get out of it. We're still in ADX is still in the convert limit, right? But let's just look at VET, right? Let's just try. Let's quickly recalibrate. All right. So what I'm going to do is I want to see how much we can make if we go to 38.20. So I'm just going to cancel this, right? Let's cancel it. And then let's come back here and see how much in loss we are, at least right now. Let's see. Oh, you see, that's like about, you can see we put in $50 and this is 47.42. That means that we've lost over $2, 50 something cents, 58 cents, if we want to cash out right now. But we're not going to do that. So we're going to just try and put in 38.20 because at least we saw that it went there. Now, you see this thing, you have to make a decision. Let me see, there's anybody here? Oh, hi, thanks for the like. Okay. So you will see that you will have to decide, right? Let's put 38.20 and let's see how much we would make. Just about 1%. Not bad, right? I mean, if you just want to cash out and go. If we go less than that, we will make less. So it's better that we just leave it at that amount because I believe it's going to hit it, at least it's going to get back to that point. It may not. It may take 1 or 2 days, but it will get back to that point. You can see that it actually made it over here. And the next time around, it might even shoot up higher, right? But just because we know it got there, we're believing it would get there, right, the second time. So let's just go put that in. I'm going to just make that 38.20, okay? And then we'll just leave it at that and we'll calibrate that, right? Oh, it says your order price is more than 5% away from the latest market price. Do you want to continue? Yeah, I want to continue. No more reminders. Let's go. All right, let's go and just keep it there, right? It's gonna get there. I mean, I'm expecting that Bitcoin will do well. Bitcoin is currently going up. Let's check what's going on in Bitcoin's life. Bitcoin is going up, and that's not bad. It was kind of like rigmaroling, so but somehow It's going down again. I can see that we have this wonderful green candles that have just been like in a row for the past couple of hours, right? Then it now began to go down. But anyways, it looks like it's going to go up. The pullback season is over. It's going up, right? So because of this, I'm quite hopeful that at least we would be able to see an upward trajectory for most of these coins. All right. So we're done with VET. I'm not going to come back live to show you this. I'll just record that separately once it has executed. So at least that's something. Let's go into the convert and see ADX, okay? So ADX is still in the waiting room, right? It's not out of the woods yet. So let's go see what's happening. So this is ADX. And this was what we wanted to do in ADX. What we wanted to do, we put it as 218, okay? And we're supposed to make $1.39. Okay, let's go see what's happening. We said we put it at 218. Let's see what's going on currently right now in ADX's life. So let's go to ADX. And this is trading, right? Everything doesn't have to go the way you plan. You're going to see, in a couple of minutes, the other trades that are executed. But let's just be done with ADX, okay? So ADX is currently at 1959. And we bought it how much? Look at it. Let's go to the trade history. We bought it at 2116. It's really gone down, right? So we just have to wait for it, okay? We just have to wait for it. We're sure it should be able to go up. Look at it, it's really on a downward trend. Let me check the 1 day chart. Is going down. You see, let's just take it as its own pullback season. It may take like a couple of days, 1, 2, 3 days, for it to like rearrange and retest and go back up again. You can see this is the 4 hour chart. It is also going down, right? So that's the same thing with the 1 hour chart. Okay. So we're just going to have to give it time. 15 minutes is definitely the same. It looks like it's going up here, but we don't know what's happening in the next couple of minutes. But for now, I like to look at the 1 hour time frame, and it's still going down. Maybe there's going to be a switch soon, but for now, ADX is on the low and it's going down. Okay. Yeah. So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. So these are the trades we did in Binance. And the only one that executed, I think, before we finished the trade, and which we got to get some money out of, I think that was OGN. Yeah, OGN executed, right? OGN. I think let's go to the converter and let's look at the. Let's look at what we have here. You see, OGN. It executed, and that's 314, and it gave us how much? How much did it give us? It gave us, yeah, 50.81. Give us 81 cents. We actually got it executed before the end of that class. So it was a good one. It's a good one, right? Just a little bit over $1. $1. Let's say 1%, like 1.6%. What was it again? I think it was 1.7. I can't even remember. 1.7% or something like that. So that was good, right? So let's go over to KuCoin. Let's go see some more exciting news. Okay, I'm sure you want to see what happened. Yeah, I want to show you. I want to show you what happened. Let's go over. Yeah, remember, oh yeah, that one, we've already made money. The money is back. We've made $1.02. Okay, and that's with our $40. Don't forget that that's like about 2.5% on each of those trades. Okay, so we had AI, and then we also had, what was the other one? I think the other one was SNS. So look at it. SNS executed, while we were on the class, and we had a nice one there. It got executed. I think it was like shortly, maybe a couple of minutes. It happened, and you saw that live. And then AI, it actually executed a couple of probably minutes or hours after we left the class. So that's also a good one. Let's go into AI and look at it. So AI has executed, as you can see. AI has done us well. So let's go into the trade history and go check what happened to AI. So AI, how much did we buy it? Let's go check. We bought 19.99, practically $20. So, and let's go see how much did we make. Let's go see what happened. We made 41 cents. Can you see that? That's not bad. That's 2%, 2.1% or 2.2%. Yeah, I think it's either 2.1%. Anyways, we made 2%. 2%, 2.1%, 2.05, one of the above. But it was 2% plus, right? You can see, and that's really a good one for AI. Claps for good, for the good AI. That's artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence coin. I mean, all these interesting coins. I love the name. It's interesting. It's interesting. It is. All right, all right, all right. So good. Let's see. I mean, let's go see what's going on in AI's life. AI, at this point, it went up a couple of hours ago. Now it's going down. That's trading for you. It goes up, and then at a point, it comes down. Down, down, down. That's how it happens. And then it will now switch after a while. So AI has executed. SNS has executed. So the part I love to do is shipping out the profit. So let's go do that. But just in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, could you just please go click on subscribe and tell me in the comments that you have subscribed. All right, do that right now for me. I'm waiting. Thank you so much. All right, thanks for subscribing. I appreciate you. Thank you. So let's go ship out the profit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's click on assets and then we click on transfer. I love to ship out the profit. It's actually my best thing that I love to do. Okay. So I think we're gonna have to switch that. So that's we'll put on the max and then I'll ship out that $1 something something. Okay. Let's get it out of the way. All right. I love that. I love that. Okay. So we're back to our $40. So that's it. I mean, KuCoin did a good one. Claps for KuCoin. The two coins that we put on the trade have executed. So let's go back and see what's going on in Mexi. That one is about to break my heart. But good one is that we got one of them, executed, right? Which one is this one? Let's go check it out. I think I don't want to start with the bad one that hasn't executed. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see what's going on in the trade history. Yeah, INSP. I remember it's one of you guys that told us about this coin in the chat when we were doing the trade, right? And INSP USDT executed and gave us how much? Gave us 17 cents. No, no, not 17 cents. It was $19.66. Don't forget, $19.66. That's the amount we had. And what came out was $2. Sorry, came out was $20.17. Let's go check that out. So we used $19.66, right, to get that. And then we got, what did we get? Okay, so that was $20.17 minus $19.66. We got 51. 51 is 2.5%. Can you imagine that? Even more than that. Let's check it out. It's more than 2.5%, right? If it was $20, that would have been 2.5%. So 19.66 times, let's say 2.7. Oh, it's less than that though. 2.6. Yeah. Was that how much was it that we got? Was it not 51? What was it? I can't remember. I think it was 51 cents. 20.17 minus 19.66. 51, yeah. So that's 19.66, right? Times 2.6. That's what we got. 2.6%. Awesome one, right? We made 2.6% with that trade, right? That was good. Let me go back. What's going on here? Yeah, let's get back in there, right? So in MEXC, under what's the name of that coin? INSP. Let me just put INSP here. INSP. Let's see how we can check what's going on in its life. So INSP did well, right? We got it executed and we made $20.17. Let me show you back again. On the trade history, we made $20.17. We spent how much? $19.66. Look at it, $19.66. Can you see that? And then we made $20.17. And that was 51 cents that we made as profit. And from what we calculated, you can see that that was 2.6% profit or somewhat, right? So that's it. Right, that's it. So I got a message from someone saying that why do you use small amounts to trade? And I let the person know that look, I'm here to show people that you can actually trade with small amounts and make profit. All right. And on this channel, I use small amounts between $20 to like about $100 to show different quantities and portions of trade so that we can see that it's very possible. You don't have to have $500 before you can trade. You can trade with as little as $10, $15, $20, and as much as that. In fact, right now in Mexi here, you don't even need more than $5 to trade. I'm telling you, you can trade with $5 here on Mexi, and there are no trading fees. I'm letting you know that this is a very good place, a very good, you know, um, exchange to use, and you use very small amounts. Even KuCoin, I think you can use $5. It's only in Binance that you can use that you have to use $10. Okay, so it's very, very possible, right? Very, very possible that you can actually trade and then use small amounts to trade, right? Just let you know that you can use small amounts to trade. You don't have to have $1,000. I'm just showing you what is possible with $1,000. As long as there's enough liquidity in that pair, you can trade it. Okay, $1,000, $5,000, $20,000, as much as you want to do it. Yeah, I just want to let you know that it's possible, and you don't have to have those big amounts. You can use any amount to trade. Okay, so now we can see that it makes C. We have executed INSP, but we still have one more going, right? We have MEMS. That has not made me happy. Okay, MEMS, I think that one was just for me a mistake. I shouldn't have taken it, and it's going down. Like, it's practically half of the price. We bought it at 14 and now it's 8. That's right. So, as it says right now, it's just going to have to wait for a long while. It's not moving, it's just looking like it's going down. But I'll just give it some time, and then we'll see how that goes. I'll probably just record this later on by myself. Once it has executed, I'm not going to call you guys back to come and see this. Okay, so you'll get to see it, maybe the full video later on in the channel when it has executed. But right now, MEMS has not executed, and right now it's going down bad. All right, it's really, really going down. Look at it. It's bad. Look at it. One day it's just going down. I don't know what happened and why I chose this, but at this point, that's it. I mean, we try to make decisions based on the best scenarios we see, but sometimes we make mistakes, and that's what I wanted to show you. That this particular coin for me was a big mistake. I shouldn't have taken it. But anyways, here we are, and this is it. So we can see that our trades executed. A few of them haven't. We're still waiting. VET was on the verge of execution, but well, it didn't go to that point, but now we have reconstituted, we've recalibrated, we've changed the price. We're hoping it will get executed very soon. And of course, we saw that in KuCoin, we had it execute, which was really, really good, right? Okay, so I hope you've learned something from this trading adventure. I just wanted to show you this is how we do it, right? This is how we pick trades, and you don't put all your eggs in one basket. As you can see, I mean, I could decide to take the whole amount of money and put it just somewhere. But I said, no, I have to put trades in different portions, okay? So that, I mean, look at it. OGN got executed, SNS got executed, but right now ADX is waiting in the queue, VET is waiting in the queue. They're all definitely going to, what's it called now? They're all going to get executed at a point, right? But they're not going to get executed at the same time. But you don't want to get all your money tied down at one point, just one coin that you thought you did well to analyze and didn't work out, and now put yourself under pressure, right? So I hope you've learned from this, and I hope you'll be able to make better trading decisions. And if you want to learn more, all you just have to do is click on the link in the description, and you'll be chatting with me. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that, right? Give us a like, send us a comment. Let's know what you think about these live trades. And I must let you know that this year has been an awesome year, and 2024 is only going to be more awesome for you. Okay? And I'm saying Happy New Year in advance. All right. Take care and have a great day and a happy 2024. God bless you. Have a great day. Bye.